This is Tuck with Tuck GC. You might have saw my video last week that I posted of this beautiful project with the borders on this driveway, and we discussed in that video how we tried to get a permit for a year through VDOT to put a second apron here, and we were kind of frustrated. We made a quick decision and we installed this right here. Well, during that, sometimes when you're in haste and you're frustrated, you maybe make design mistakes. So between I and the homeowner, we actually laid this out together. We agreed on the design, so we're not trying to place blame here or anything. We're just showing how we fixed it. So when they came through and they started parking here with the two cars, they realized that this car here would almost have to be all the way up and kind of stuck there, and this one would have a tough time maneuvering around, and this one, it was impossible to get out if this car was here because we would bang right into it or drive off the grass here. So we came up with this nice solution, and now they can just pull right in. So we kept the same pattern of the bricks. So before, the border stopped right there and just continued across, and we just added in this nice triangle section with the same pattern. We tried to make it equal distance from here to here, close. I mean, it's not quite equal, but we did the half of the paver there, and then we did equal distance split from here to here. And then now the homeowner can kind of pull this car in on an angle, bring their one tire right there, come up, park here, and then the other car can still get in and out easily. So I worked with the client on this. I gave him a very cheap price, almost at cost, just slightly over the cost to cover our fuel and stuff. But we came in and put this in at cost, just a labor and material plus 10% to be able to get the project moving for him. So we're both happy with the results. Came out nicely, and even sometimes when mistakes are made, the best thing you can do as a company and a client is try to work on a solution that works for everybody. So here we are. I think it came out fantastic. Doesn't even look like an afterthought. It looks like we planned it this way, and that was part of the design. So give us a call. We'd be happy to deal with any of your projects: concrete, stonework, pavers, any driveways, patios, of course VDOT aprons, and we'd look forward to hearing from you on your project. Take care.